Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma.
Peter, I was just at the bank and they told me you withdrew $6,000 cash from our savings. That's almost everything we have. What the hell was it for?
I bought some local TV airtime, Lois, and I did a public service announcement of vital importance.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Bird, 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 the word, bird, 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 well, the bird is the word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Sir, our math shows that the bird is equal to or greater than the word.